Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you some muscle release techniques and massage techniques for any of the muscles in the forearm and tendons of the forearm as well that could be referring pain down into the wrist. This is going to help you with golfer's elbow, tennis elbow, or any RSI or carpal tunnel syndromes. This is going to help you regain grip strength once again for a lot of sports, for example, powerlifting, weightlifting, golf, tennis, baseball, anything that requires you to have grip strength, or even daily tasks, for example, driving. Check out these massage techniques out. They're definitely going to help you out.
The wrist extensors are attached from the outside of your elbow and down to the back of your wrist. We're going to be using a technique called longitudinal massage with a massage ball. This is a great technique to massage any spasming or tight spots that could be happening on the muscle belly of the wrist extensors. Just use a massage ball or a lacrosse ball like myself. Just place the massage ball on the muscle belly near the elbow and run it all the way down to the back of the wrist and back up again. If you'd like to add more pressure onto the massage, just use your other hand and firmly press onto the forearm that you're massaging. And now just roll up and down 20 to 30 times and repeat on both arms 5 to 6 times. I'll put a link on the description box below on where to get these massage tools. Cross-frictional massage for lateral epicondylitis, also known as tennis elbow. This is a great technique and a very effective way to break down scar tissue and on any injuries that has caused lateral epicondylitis or tennis elbow. Tennis elbow syndrome is normally caused by the inflammatory process and the repetitive breakdown of the wrist extensors tendons that are attached on the lateral elbow on the outside of the elbow. Place the massage ball near the elbow joint where the tendons of the wrist extensors are and roll over them in a cross-frictional manner horizontally back and forth. This will induce the breakdown of sticky adhesions in these fibers and promote healing via increased blood flow. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes and repeat it on both sides 5 to 6 times on the elbow that is injured. If you do have too much swelling and inflammation now after the cross-frictional massage, you can use ice to reduce the swelling and inflammation. Just put ice over this area for about 5 minutes and repeat it 3 to 4 times. Longitudinal massage for the wrist flexors. The wrist flexor muscles originate from the inner portion below the elbow joint, and the muscle runs all the way down the arm and inserts into your wrist and your fingers. This helps create wrist flexion and grip. Just place the massage ball here and roll up and down the muscle from the elbow and down to the wrist. This will massage the main fibers of the wrist flexors. Once again, if you want to add more pressure, just use your other hand and press down on your forearm and roll up and down. Do this for about 20 to 30 strokes and repeat it 5 to 6 times on each arm. Cross-frictional massage for the wrist flexors. Place the massage ball on the wrist flexors tendons near the elbow joint. This is usually where medial epicondylitis occurs, also known as golfer's elbow. Now roll the massage ball horizontally side to side. You can also increase the pressure by putting your other hand on your forearm and press down. This will create cross-frictional massage over the tendon fibers. Massage this area with a firm contact for about 1 to 2 minutes and repeat 5 to 6 times on the injured arm. If you do feel pain or swelling after this technique, I highly advise put some ice over it to control the swelling and inflammation. Just put it over there for about 3 to 5 minutes and then repeat it 3 to 4 times. Just a word of caution, if you're unsure about these techniques or these techniques are causing you severe pain, I highly recommend you just stop immediately and seek professional advice instead. You may be causing more damage than necessary. Barbell Brachioradialis massage. The Brachioradialis muscle is also known as the beer drinking muscle. Its main function is to help you hold things in an upright position, for example, a steering wheel, a racket, or even a bat. To effectively massage this muscle, I highly recommend you use the end portion of a barbell and place it on top of your forearm with your palm facing down. Now slowly roll up and down the forearm, working on all tendons and muscle fibers. If you want to add more pressure, just bring the barbell slightly up so most of the weight of the barbell is now resting on your forearm. And now roll up and down the forearm just like before. Do about 20 to 30 strokes 5 to 6 times on each arm. Now all these techniques can help you reduce wrist pain, forearm pain, elbow pain, and also increase range of motion in your arms and wrist as well. So you might find that it's easier for you to do such sports such as gymnastics or even Olympic weightlifting or even powerlifting. Barbell wrist massage. Start by placing the furthest portion of the barbell onto the forearm whilst having the back of your hand on the floor. This will massage on the inside of your forearm, where the wrist flexors are. Now roll up and down the forearm nice and slow and controlled. This will mainly work on the wrist flexors, which is the muscles that help you grip your fingers and flex your wrist. If you want to add more pressure, just slide the barbell up so most of the barbell's weight is now resting on your forearm. And just proceed by rolling up and down the forearm again. Do about 20 to 30 strokes nice and slow and repeat it 5 to 6 times on each arm.
Once again guys, thanks for watching. Now if you do have wrist pain or arm pain, there's a good chance that the pain could be coming from your neck or your shoulders. So I highly recommend you check out my Fix Your Neck video or Fix Your Shoulder Pain video. These two videos will definitely help you. Remember to support my channel, hit subscribe, hit like, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.